every patent agent or every aspiring agent should be comfortable in navigating the Act and the rules. We refer to the Patents Act 1970 and the Patent Rules 2003. This is not an easy job to start with, because if you look at the Patents Act, you get the bare acts available from any law book house which is close to you. You can order them on LexisNexis.com, which is, they are my publishers by the way, which is a place where you can find books on patent law, or from professionals or commercials. There are a whole lot of legal publishers who have bare acts. Now the bare act would normally have the Patents Act, the patent rules, and there's something called the Intellectual Property Appellate Board Patent Procedure Rules 2010. It would also have the Patent Appellate and Applications to the Intellectual Property Appellate Board Rules 2011. So these are the four major rules, or the four rules that are linked to Patents Act. So you need to you need to understand the Patent Act and the rules, and the two other rules that I mentioned. So totally four pieces of legislation. The Act, nowhere does it give cross-reference to the rules. Now this could be a hurdle for a person who's trying to understand this subject for the first time. You can take section 6 and start reading it. You are not going to find a cross-reference to the rule. There may be some reference saying that details will be prescribed a procedure or something. Some subtle reference may be there that you may have to look somewhere else, but it simply does not give you the cross-reference. So if you are going to thread this path without any guidance, then preferably you would be reading the entire Act, reading the entire rules, and trying to do some kind of matching. That's entirely an exercise that you can do to get a greater proficiency in the Act and the rules, but people have already done that. We have patent law textbooks, we have various commentaries written which does this. They group the rules and the Act together in various sections of the book. But navigating the Act and the rules also poses other problems, because the Act was amended 3 times after India became a party to the WTO, World Trade Organization. And the rules have been amended more than that. It has been amended in 2005, in 2006, in 2013, 14 and 16. The latest amendments came out in 2016. Now here is a point that I want you to keep in mind before you go out and purchase your Patent Act and rules. Ensure that the rules that you buy, the Act and the rules, they come together, incorporates the Patent Rules 2003 as amended by the Patents Amendment Rules 2016. Now this document came in May, so ensure that the copy that you buy has the 2016 rules. There are quite a lot of new stuff that has come in, and we certainly anticipate questions on startups, on fast tracking of applications, on refund in case the examination does not come in, and on many other things. The entire fee structure has been rescheduled to have entities which are between corporates, SMEs, MSMEs. There's a new fee structure for that. So we could expect questions that come out of any of these pieces of legislation.